Blend, churn and grind ingredients with this Magimix food processor, a must-have appliance for any modern kitchen. The double-bowl-lid Failsafe is a smart locking mechanism that ensures the machine is correctly set up before turning on, keeping fingers and hands safe. Enjoy quiet operation at a whisper level thanks to the commercial-grade induction motor, which has been awarded with the Quiet Mark, so you can prepare mouth-watering dishes without making a racket. Magimix's 30-year guarantee on the motor and 3-year guarantee on parts is testament to the quality and dedicated customer care you'll receive with this appliance. Rest assured it's built to stand the test of time. With simple 3-button operation, this Magimix food processor is easy to use straight out of the box, perfect for amateur chefs and seasoned professionals alike.